When the day is bright and the road is soft, I lift up my hands for every gift you brought. You give and you know what my heart can hold, in joy and in fire. You keep me close, so I will not turn from the shape of your love. If you send me the rain, you are still enough. God is sovereign over all things. I rejoice in your will. I rejoice in your will. Good or adversity, you are still my King. I rejoice in your will. I rejoice in your will. When the ground shakes hard and the answers hide, I will not fear. You are on my side. What you love will not break your throne. Even here, even now, I am not alone. So I will not turn from the shape of your love. If you send me the rain, you are still enough. God is sovereign over all things. I rejoice in your will. I rejoice in your will. Good or adversity, you are still my King. I rejoice in your will. I rejoice in your will. Teach my heart to bow. Teach my hands to hold. Teach my voice to sing when the winds are cold.